Hey, this is Roz, and you're about to watch a video on pixel art. So I'm gonna create a new layer and call this layer. And right, kind of the same thing. Choose my white color here. Going 1 pixel off the bottom, and I'm honestly not sure how this is gonna turn out, but I have some ideas. Gonna start with the head. Yeah, so I'll probably have to adjust the feet so that they're on the ground. But I'll start with the head and kind of make it in the middle here. Maybe like 6 pixels. We'll see if that's sufficient. And then maybe like 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then a bit longer on this side because I want the face to be pointing towards the right. So it's kind of like a chin. There's enough. You have to make up a lot of things here because it's only a few pixels. So you have to have a vivid imagination. I'm gonna choose this black again and kind of drop some eyes in there just to test it out. And it kind of looks like, almost looks like a skeleton. Kind of looks like the character is looking to the right. So, with a little chin in here. So I'm gonna continue with that. I have to draw a little neck. And starting to draw the spine and maybe some hands, and I want to kind of make it in motion a little bit just to kind of look like it's running or walking. So this is like the character's hand going this way, and then another hand kind of going away from the camera on the far side. I don't know what to call that. So a little bit of the body, and then some really simple, let's see, really simple segments for the leg. Great. And actually, so right now it kind of looks weird at the hip here. I'm gonna take this black and I kind of punch out maybe this. Yeah, so see, like now it kind of looks like this leg, the one that's kind of cut off from the body. It kind of looks like it's self-occluded, like there's a shadow. And it kind of looks like it's the leg that's further away from the camera, right? So it looks like this right leg is in front and this left leg is in the back. I'm also gonna move the character down like I promised so that it's on that bottom, and maybe let's see where I want it to look like it's in the middle. That looks about in the middle. Cool. And then maybe attempt to do the same thing on the arm. Go with that. No, that doesn't work as well. Maybe on the arm it's fine if it's... what about if the black spot is there? Actually, yeah, that works. That works better. Because now from far away... testing out another idea. That actually might be even better. I think I'm happy with this for now. So, as you see, the character is super simple. I could give him a little mouth or something. That almost looks confused, so maybe I don't want to do that. I'll just stick to just the eyes, just because there's so much you can do with these just 2 dots. You can change their expression, you can add, if I add another set here, it almost looks like eyebrows. I don't know. I could be playing with that a lot for the animation. But for now, I think this is my character. Not super complex, but enough to kind of have a cool little shape. Actually, see, like I made 1 pixel difference here, and it already looks more human, just because I rounded out that part. And let's see if I want to try to give him like a mohawk or something. No, it's not working. I'll stick with this. I'll stop editing. Okay, so this is my player. Again, you'll see. I'll demonstrate some of these things in Photoshop real quick as an experiment before I call it the end for today. But let's toggle this off. Save my Photoshop file again. Control S again to save that. Hey, if you enjoyed the content, leave a message below, like and subscribe.